addition of positive integers using number line. Example: evaluate the following two plus 4, 3 plus 5. Show your answer on a number line. Whenever you're asked to do a task like this, the addition of two numbers, one of the things you have to do is to check what type of integers you are working with. In this case, we have 2 and 4, which are positive integers. To add them together, you follow the next steps. Solution. For the first one, where we have 2 plus 4, you rewrite this work showing the sign for each of the integers. Remember, they are positive integers. So you rewrite as this. Plus 2 plus 4. This shows that 2 is a positive integer and 4 is also a positive integer. The next thing you do is to then show your number line. So we draw a straight line. Remember to put arrows on both ends. Do not forget, the meaning of these arrows is that this line continues forever. Then at the center, you put the neutral integer 0. It doesn't always have to be at the center, but ensure that you put it in such a way that it will accommodate the other numbers which you want to work with. So 0. Then to the right of the 0, you put the positive integers in regular interval. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And to the left of the neutral integer, you put your negative integers. Also like this. -1, -2, -3, -4. Good. Now that we have our number line, we can then use this to evaluate +2 plus +4. Whenever you are adding positive integers, whenever you are taking the positive integer on the number line, we go to the right. And then when you perform addition, you continue to the same right. So the first step is to begin at the neutral integer, which is 0, and then perform +2. So from 0 to perform +2, I will move 2 steps to my right to show that I am going in the plus direction. So that is, from here I go 1, 2, and draw that line to show that I have gone in this direction. From 0 to +2. So what I have performed is +2. The next thing is to then add. So because we are adding, we continue to the right. And what we are adding is a positive number. That is why we are going to the right. And we are adding +4. To add +4, we continue to the right in 4 steps to indicate +4. 4 steps from where we have stopped would be 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, we go from here up to this point. Ensure to show the direction you have moved. And what we have done here is plus 4. So that is plus 2 plus 4 equals our final number when we finish this is plus 6. Very good. Let's perform B. Just as we did, write them in their positive form. That is plus 3 plus 5. And then you draw your number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And to the left, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. And then you start from the neutral integer. And you move how many steps this time? Yes, 3 steps to indicate plus 3. So from 0 we go 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. 3 steps to the right to indicate plus 3. Then from where we stopped, we move how many steps now? Good. 5 steps to the right. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps, indicating plus 5. This shows that plus 3 plus 5 equals plus 8. Since that is where we ended up after drawing plus 3 and plus 5. This is how we use a number line to add positive integers. Thank you.